Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. Today, I'm going to show you how to log out of all of your devices on WhatsApp. So the easiest way of doing this is I have the WhatsApp application here pulled up on my iPhone. Is you want to navigate to settings. So if you're on an iPhone, you'll see the settings tab there at the bottom of the screens, the gear icon. Just tap on settings. And then if you're on an Android device, you'll see three dots in the upper portion of your screen. Tap on that and then go to more options and settings. It's very easy to get here. And then once you're under settings, what you want to do is go to where you see linked devices. So wherever you see the option that says linked devices, so tap on linked devices. And as you can see, I have a web version of WhatsApp running on a Google Chrome browser on my Mac. And you can see that here under linked devices. Now, in order to log out from one of the devices one by one, what you want to do is just tap on the device and it's going to give you the last activity date in usage, and then it'll give you a red button there that says log out. If you tap on log out, it will automatically log you out of WhatsApp and remove it from that device. Now, if you have a bunch of devices here underneath linked devices and you don't want to go through that process, the easiest way of doing that is going back to settings. So navigate back over to settings and then tap on where you see account. So tap on account there. And then you want to go to right there where it says two-step verification. You just want to tap on two-step verification. And if you don't already, you want to make sure you have a PIN number or two-factor authentication set up. Once you do so, you can come in here and tap on change PIN. And you can enter a new PIN. It'll ask you for confirmation. And when you do so, it will automatically remove you and log you out from all of your devices that are linked to your WhatsApp account. So once you do this, once you change the PIN number, it'll log you out of everything and you will have to re-log back in to the devices that you want to be logged into. So again, you just go back over. The easiest way is probably just go to linked devices and then do them one by one, or you can change the PIN number and do them all at once. If you have any further questions on this, please put that in the comment section. I'll get to those as soon as I can. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this tutorial helped you out, and I will see you guys in the next video.